Hello again. And the next thing that Miss Werner has instructed me to do with you is your calendar notebooks. Please get those out if you have them. If you do not have them, you can follow along here. On the first page, we will open and count by tens. Your finger should be on the number 10, which looks like a 1 and a 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133. Today is 134, a 1, a 3, and a 4. Turning to, oh my goodness, I don't know, what do you call these things? Oh, 10 frames, good to know. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, and we turn to what's next. Let's see here. Oh, it's the tally marks. On the tally mark pages, you count by fives. Let's put our finger on 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134. It's the last straight line down in that group, which means tomorrow will be a, what do you call that diagonal line? Slash. Great. And you might be thinking about turning to your March page, but I have a special announcement for you. The March page should be full. Today is actually the first day of April. So turn to the April page. April starts with A, and I don't actually see any picture up there. I think for April, I'm going to draw a little flower because lots of things are growing again. It's springtime, and I've been seeing a lot of flowers outside. So I'm going to take just a minute to draw that. And there's my little decoration for April. Oops, came out of my clipboard. And boys and girls, I wonder if any of you know about April 1st. That's today's number. Today is Wednesday, April 1st. So try the one. And I wonder if any of you know about something funny that happens on April 1st. April 1st is also called April Fool's Day. So I bet lots of you knew it was me hiding under there. There's no substitute. I'm not at the moon. That was an April Fool's joke. Make sure you have April 1st written down. And then if you follow it up, you can see today is Wednesday. And it's a music day. And I brought the thermometer in. Today is not green. Today is yellow. Yellow, that means it's a little bit warmer than yesterday. So I'll make sure to color that yellow, or you can just write the word yellow here if you don't have a yellow crayon or marker. And right now as I look look out my window, I do see the sun, but I also see clouds. So I'll turn to the back and I'm going to mark one for partly cloudy. That's our first day of weather in April. There's what that looks like. And we have another math job to do now. So let's put the calendars to the side. It's time for our estimate jar. And here's that estimation page that I have to help us remember what we say. So I ask this question, what is your estimate? And you answer by saying, try to read this with me, I estimate that there is, and then you say the number that you think here. So today I have cubes, like the cubes we use at school. Remember, what does estimate mean? Does estimate mean just take any guess in the whole wide world? No, it means take a good guess. A good guess. All right, now I'm going to ask you the question. What is your estimate? And you respond by saying, I estimate that there is, and tell me your number. All right, let's find out our actual number today. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, one more, what is it? 19. There was 19. I want to write that number down so you can see. What does 19 look like? Right, it's a 1 and a 9, so I'll just put that here so we can all remember what 19 looks like. So 1 and a 9, here it is. And think about your estimate. Were you close to 19? If you picked 19 or had like maybe 17, 18, or 20 or 21, it means you were really close, like only 2 away. Every day we'll get better at estimating. So I want to play one more math game with you before I sign off on this video. And it's going to be with 5 cubes, just like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. So to help us with the game, I want to show you how you can use your fingers. So put 2 fingers down. I have 1, 2 down. How many are up? 1, 2, 3. That's because 2 and 3 make 5. Say it with me. 2 and 3 make 5. Now let's hold up just our pinky. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 down, 1 up. So that must mean 4 and 1 make 5. Let's say it together. 4 and 1 make 5. Put all fingers down. How many fingers are down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are down. How many are up? 0. So that means 5 and 0 is 5. So now I'm going to build a tower that has 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes on it. And then I'm going to put it behind my back. I'm only going to show you some of them. The rest will stay hiding behind my back. So I'm showing you 1. There's not 1 behind my back. How many will be behind my back? We know that there's 5 altogether. So if you hold up 1 finger, how many fingers are still hiding? 1, 2, 3, 4. I bet that means there's 4 hiding back there. 2, 3, 4. Say it with me. 4 and 1 makes 5. Let's play again. Use your fingers if you need to help you. I'm showing you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many are still hiding behind my back? I thought I could trick you. You got it. 0. All 5 are right here. 5 and 0 makes 5. Let's play again. Okay. I'm showing 3. If you need to, hold up 3 fingers. And look how many fingers are down. So there must be 2 behind my back. Say it with me. 3 and 2 make 5. Let's do a couple more. How many am I showing? 0. So how many are behind my back? 0 and 5 makes 5. Showing 4. How many are behind my back? 1. Say it with me. 1 and 4 make 5. And here's our last one. You can play this at home with other things too. If you don't have cubes, you could do spoons or pennies or buttons. I'm showing 2. How many are hiding? Say it with me. 2 and 3 make 5. Excellent job, boys and girls. It's important to know those math facts really quickly. So keep practicing them to 5. See you soon.